In order to change your Twitter or X username using the mobile application, you can follow the simple steps. First of all, open the Twitter app on your device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account or sign into your account if you haven't already. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of this screen and then go to Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu and then navigate to Your Account, that is the initial option in this page. Now tap on Your Account Information and there you will see the option of Username, that is the initial option in this page. Tap on it. Simply delete the previous username that you've set on your Twitter and then enter a new one. And if it's not available, you will be prompted to choose another, and if it's available, you will see a green tick mark over here and then tap on Done, that is highlighted in blue color. So usernames can be up to 15 characters long and can include letters, numbers, and underscores. Changing your username won't affect your existing followers, direct messages, or replies. However, your previous username will become available for others to use immediately. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.